Hey guys, this is Alik from Nature with Alik, a beautiful Shoma dragon fruit orchard. This is going to be a preview video before we're going to start to do the tasting of dragon fruit varieties with Wilfred Palma from Oaks farm. And we're harvesting one more fruit. It's called ES1, Edgar Seedling 1. Edgar Valdivia, the famous person here in the world. And I'm so happy to have this variety from him. Edgar Seedling 1, probably 25-year-old hybrid variety, and we're going to be doing testing today as well. And I'm going to put it in the basket right now, and we're going to go harvest more varieties. So we're going to add Cosmic Charlie as well to our collection. So, and we do have lots of varieties on the table. So this is a nice one. Look at this size of Cosmic Charlie. Lots of people asking for taste review, and here we go. So we're going to mark it as a CC meantime, and we'll put it on the plate. You're going to be able to, guys, see our tasting videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nature with Alik, at YouTube channel, and as well as the Oaks OAX Dragon Fruit Farm on YouTube channel as well. So Wilfred had lots of varieties, yummy, tasty, very unique varieties to taste, and that's amazing. And we're just gonna pass by line over here. I just want to show you that people harvesting, you know, huge Laverne varieties, huge Laverne, huge Dark Star. Look at this. Look at this dark. We just got the customer came over here, and he got tons, like lots of fruit over here. Look at this. This is Thai Red. This is probably £1.5 pounds already. Yummy and tasty. We actually put on plate already. We're gonna harvest right now. Here we go. Which one we're gonna get? Wilfred, which one do you like? Grande one, huh? My gosh. We're gonna manage today. Again, 10 varieties. Look at this beauty. Thai Red. Here we go, guys. We got lots of cuttings, and we're gonna root a lot. Thai Red. Next. Okay, and one more variety that I told you guys. Wait on this one. Wait on this one. We're gonna do the tasting, and we're gonna review the color of this fruit. This is very unique one. Look at this, loaded with Lavernes, San Ignacio, Lisa, all over here. Beautiful Mr. Wu and Lake Atitlan. We're gonna do the tasting as well. Look at this, nice presentation. Beautiful, shiny, amazing, like magenta color outside and deep red variety inside. So let's get more. Oh, look at this huge Laverne on the floor. My gosh. Okay, so here we go. This is Chameleon from Three Lucky Mountains. I got it from Matt Cole from Farcrest Farms. Look how beautiful. I'm not going to show you how does it look inside. You got to subscribe to my channel, guys, and Wilfred's channel as well to see the color. Oh wow, from inside the fruit. So this is the Chameleon variety. Oh my God, this is so heavy. Okay, here we go. We're going straight to the table, and I'm going to show you what varieties we're going to be tasting today. Let's go. Lots of flower buds, lots of flowers, and lots of fruit are coming. So this is great opportunity for you guys to buy plants and fruit as well for tasting. And come visit our farmers markets in Ventura County, Los Angeles. I will be available on every Thursday in South Zone Farmers Market, and as well as on Saturday, Ventura Downtown Farmers Market, and I'll be on Sunday, Mar Vista Farmers Market in Los Angeles, okay? So we're getting close to the table. Oh, wow. Look at this. Here's what's waiting for you guys. Lake Atitlan. This is easy over 2 pounds, 2.25. This is, oh, you're gonna see the size. You're gonna see exactly the weight of Martin variety. We're gonna be doing cotton candy tasting today, and Nova Berry and Asunta 7 from Wilfred, Asunta 7 Aztecs Gold, plus our extra varieties. So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to Nature with Alik YouTube channel. Put the like on this video and wait for the next one. And as well, they from Wilfred from OAX Dragon Fruit Farm. and YouTube channel. We're going to be posting Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, so you can have ability to see the taste review and get the chance to order the cuttings, plants, and fruit. Multi-variety boxes shipping every day. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, this is Alik 323, area code 547-1273. Peace to all.